This is like the freaking third time doing this video. Whatever, let's get into this. Let's get into this. Hey guys, this is Vess and welcome back to an update, because this is an update video and it's about basically me not having any content. And the reason why I don't have no content is because I just got my computer in. It's freaking 9/24, so September 24th 2018, and your girl just got this computer. Computer's brand freaking new. Like, have to do the updates, have to do everything for it to bring it back to the way I originally had it, because it's not the same computer. Like, so it's a good thing that I freaking saved everything from the last computer, because all of that progress that I had would have been gone. Supposedly they said it was too expensive to fix, so they had to give me a new one. This is the third new one I had, maybe fourth new one I had from Surface. Honestly speaking, I love Surface. I love the Surface Studio. I love the Surface Book, but I do not like the back and forth with the Surface Book. And I guess this is the first generation, that's why. But I just don't like the back and forth. I don't like the fact that I had to take this computer in a lot of times. And mind you, I got the highest RAM, the highest everything for it. I was streaming on this computer, guys. So it's like really disappointing, kind of, that the fact that that's what happens with Surface. So that's my like mini update with the Surface Book in itself, because it's like, you know, I didn't expect that to happen. I'm glad it's back, but I'm not glad that I have to do so much work to it. I have to re-download Clip Studio, re-download Camtasia. I'm not going to do OBS because I don't stream on the computer no more. I stream on this one, which is the Surface Studio. And, you know, just basically doing that. For the time being, like, all this time that I've taken with this computer just being gone, I've been sketching a lot. I don't know if you guys have been following my Instagram, but I have been just basically freaking working on anatomy and all that great stuff. Let me see if I can show you guys like what I'm talking about with anatomy. Like, I have a lot of freaking drawings here, and that's because your girl can't stop drawing. Like, I love to draw. Like, so yeah guys, I've been working on like some cat anatomy. This is some of the stuff that I have been working on. You could see because Buyo, he comes back in, so that's a lot of work I've been working there. I've been working on men anatomy with different shapes of men. They don't all have to have abs, guys. They can be chubby too. So yeah, been working on some chubsters, trying to get that situated so I can learn how to draw that and be more efficient. I also have been getting risky with my stuff, you know, just playing around with poses and things that are more in the risky type of thing. I don't know if you guys watched my vlog, but my vlog, I've been telling you guys that I have been focusing on trying to do Inktober, because that's something that I always wanted to do. So I have been practicing with inks. This is one of my first ones that I've been working on. It's basically Fuji, and I've been working with permanent marker and Justin's Prisma color set or whatever. Those are expensive, but he got them from school, so I've been using those for creating things like this, and also been working with the permanent markers. Another thing that I have been working on was just learning how to cross hatch and shade with different like different ways, you know what I'm saying, because I have different widths of pens. So I've been doing some permanent markers, some microns. For this one, just cross hatching, and then this one I worked with the Prisma Cool Colors to actually bring out that look. I honestly like the shading better than I like the cross hatching, but it's all up to, like, you know, what the piece is gonna be about for Inktober. So that was my plans for that. I have been working with $4 what do you call that, $4 markers. So this was a micron with $4 markers and a gel pen. Worked on that. That's my outfit of the day, because I looked like that this morning. right now I look like crap, but that's because your girl has to make a quick video. Like, come on. So yeah, definitely worked with it. It does give it that streaky mark, which I don't like, but it still gives that painter feel, so it's kind of cool. I did mess around with Copics in the Packagons and Michael's store. Really didn't like it. It wasn't like my thing. I was just like not feeling it. So I sticking with the cheap stuff, you know what I'm saying? Permanent markers and Bristol and you know, and gel pens and stuff that people can find on the regular basis. You know what I'm saying? Like, not everybody can afford Prismacolor or afford Copics, and my whole thing about it is you don't need to afford those type of things to be an artist. So this is a prime example. You can do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? It still looks good regardless of the fact. So it's all about how you approach it, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I've been doing a lot of studies. This is another thing that I've been working on today, and it was I just recently finished watching The Dragon Pilot. It's a Netflix original. So yeah guys, this is, I think, Hisomi or something like that. She actually inspired me to draw her in my style. So I was like, yeah, let me draw her beautiful face. Look at how gorgeous she is. Ain't she cute, guys? You know she cute. And then guys, I've been on Twitch hanging out, drawing a little bit of social posts as I can, doing games, playing Okami, doing all that fun stuff. And for the subscribers, I've been doing sketch requests, and for the people who, like, you know, go above and beyond, I've been like doing extra stuff. So one of our pulses that is there, and they gift and they do donations and everything, like literally spoiling me to death. Like, I do not deserve this, but I decided to do a drawing for them because they like the Green Ranger and they feel like they want to be a unicorn ranger. So she's getting married soon, and I was like, oh, let me put these two together, and I want to send it to her soon. So that's one of my plans. But yeah, I've been working on a lot of like really permanent marker-ish with a little bit of gel pen and you know, Prisma, just messing around with things, guys. But yeah, I've been working on Bristol. Let me see if I can show you my book, because I don't know if that's important to you guys, but this is the one that because I used my old school jumper from that bag right there. So it kind of ripped, you know, ripped off. I don't have a full book anymore. But this is the Bristol I've been using. I've been using this ever since I was in college. Best. I mean, the bestest thing ever to work with, especially with microns, permanent markers, anything that bleeds through. This definitely works with Copics and stuff like that. Again, guys, I've been messing around with the Copics and trying to like blend stuff. So you know, this is the best stuff I will say to work with, like Bristol, especially for Inktober. Inktober is heavy in ink. I do have some Indian ink somewhere. Not too sure if I'm going to be using it. Honestly speaking, I think I will try to find like a feather from the dollar store and create one of those like pen like things. We'll see what happens with that. Like, and I can maybe play around with it. I don't know. We shall see. But I want to create vlogs for that time being. So I did buy a stand for this bad boy, which is my phone, so it doesn't fall. Because guys, guess what? Your girl, her screen protector cracked, and that's because I dropped the phone like freaking 50 million times. So now I can like literally do the driving in the car situation without like being distracted. Like, even though I'm talking to you guys, you know, it's not distraction, you know. So that was in the works also, because you guys really liked the vlog. I was surprised that you guys liked the vlog, because first time doing it, guys, I don't know what I was doing. I was dropping the phone. The editing was horrible for me, but you guys was like, no, it's really good. And I'm like, it's 40 minutes long, people. Like, what? But I will be doing shorter vlogs for the Inktober, because I'm going to be doing it throughout the week. So I'm just going to be like flipping and talking about my experience and how I've been doing things. So do not worry, guys. The only time I will do a long vlog is like for the 1 month vlog thing I was trying to do. You know what I'm saying? So that's just basically my whole idea. On top of all that, my husband did buy me a Switch, guys. So I've been on this bad boy. He bought me a screen protector on it because your girl clumsy. And yeah, I've been playing Splatoon. I've been playing like these little dating sim games. I've been playing Mario Tennis, Mario Kart, Mario Raging Rabbits. So I've been all over the place with the Nintendo Switch. So I will be posting my, like, what do you call that? Your friend request, I guess, down below. And if you guys want to like hang out with me, Mario Kart it, we could definitely do that. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for updates. Again, your girl's been on Twitch doing her thing, and I've been streaming a lot more. I'm thinking about adding Thursday, but we shall see what happens because my life does get kind of hectic. But yeah, I'm trying to stream more. But you guys do see more of me Tuesdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and Sundays at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So definitely be there or be square, because you don't want to be a square pose. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, definitely the links are below. Sorry for my nose and my congestion. The guy is supposed to come tomorrow to fix the furnace, so sooner or later your girl's not gonna have a runny nose. But we shall see what happens. But so far so good. Definitely hit that follow in Twitch, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe here, because I continuously do things like this. Every Wednesdays a new video comes out with me. You might see my face again. But yeah, guys, definitely hit the like for the update, and for those who are new, like Vess, I like your attitude, I like the way you are. Go ahead and hit that subscribe, become a post, one of our family members, become my energy ball. You know what I'm saying? Continuously do things like this again. I do things like this. I do vlogs. I do art stuff. I do reviewing indie comics. I do a lot of stuff here. So you have to be here to see what's going on. Hit that subscribe. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.